Field operations. The effectiveness of any geophysical method depends on a thorough quality of the field survey, during which time primary data is collected in order to analyze the geological environment and the processes occurring in it. Gradient CJSC performs field surveys all year round, including winter, with a thick snow cover and extremely low air temperatures, using snowmobiles, special machinery and equipment.
Действительно, ценой ошибки могут быть скважины, пробуренные в пустые зоны. А для наших заказчиков это потери десятки и даже сотни миллионов рублей.
Erroneous results can lead to drilling dry well at significant cost to the client. That's why Gradient CJSC employs best-in-class professionals who are dedicated to attaining the most successful outcomes. Since the work is performed using certified equipment, specialist experts' knowledge is vital here, and quality control is performed at every stage of operations. Our team of professionals has proven their abilities across Russia, Bulgaria, India, and Ecuador. In the course of passive low-frequency seismic studies, the elastic wave field of the Earth is recorded without the use of signal sources. Low-frequency oscillations are recorded by highly sensitive equipment installed by the field crew members on the ground. This is done under snow cover in winter and buried underground in the summer. All observations of the microseismic background obtained are subject to pre-processing and quality control. Gradient CJSC places a particular emphasis on the quality of field survey. Each field trip, regardless of the complexity of the surface environment and climatic conditions of the survey area, is carefully prepared by the field crew. They develop a detailed work plan and assess the need to use specialized equipment. If necessary, we use unmanned aerial vehicles for reconnaissance survey, equipment monitoring, and reading records from recording complexes. Field surveys at each site begin and end with verification monitoring, which is aimed to check the operability of the equipment and its technical characteristics. Only hardware complexes meeting rigorous criteria are used to conduct field recordings. Upon the verification, the field crew chief distributes the hardware complexes among the field parties for installation at certain observation points. Hardware complexes are installed in accordance with the technical requirements and the scheme of observation. At each observation point, photo and video recording of the equipment installation site is performed, and a voice description of potential noise sources is made. Once the recording at the observation point is complete, the field party takes the hardware complexes, checks the quality of the data, and, if necessary, reinstalls the equipment complexes at new observation points. The duration of the recording at each observation point depends on the survey method and the task to be addressed. For the LFS, depending on the interference level, the recording duration varies from 18 to 72 hours. With other cases of monitoring, it can take 30 days or more. When conducting a survey using the LFS technology, it is mandatory to record in the vicinity of the nearest deep hole wells to calibrate the numerical modeling results during data processing. After finishing the field survey, the recorded data is transferred to the analytical center. The work of the field unit staff is evaluated on the basis of the conclusion in the data acceptance and transfer certificate. Field survey causes no harm to the environment, as it does not require deforestation, passage of heavy equipment through crop fields, drilling, or explosions. Therefore, we can perform surveys in conservation areas and areas under special protection. The company has implemented and is developing the ISO 14001-2015 Environmental Management System, and also has adopted the Environmental Aspects Identification and Management Corporate Standard. One of the advantages offered by Gradient is the flexibility and mobility of field units, as well as the ability to perform works in the shortest possible time. The main thing when working in the field is to realize the responsibility and fulfill all tasks assigned to the detachment with the highest quality and shortest possible time. We have already completed the first offshore projects on the Russian and foreign shelf and proved the possibility of applying our technologies not only on land but also offshore. The company's priority during the field survey process is to comply with the rules of labor protection and industrial safety. The company has implemented and is developing the OSAS 45001-2018 management system and also has adopted the Hazard Identification, Assessment and Risk Management Corporate Standard. Thanks to the use of modern certified equipment, mandatory testing throughout the field survey, and the wealth of crew experience, we can guarantee a very high quality of the data captured. The company uses modern machine learning algorithms and unique software products for quality assessment. All the necessary data pre-processing procedures are carried out right at the site, and the availability of the satellite internet to the field crew enables the latter to transfer the field survey materials to the analytical center as quickly as possible, which is extremely important for our customers. Gradient plans to increase the scale of research, expand its geographical footprint, and undertake many new and interesting projects.